Well, we're just 2.5 months away from the retrial of the Vanderbilt rape case. Attorneys for the two former students were back in court today. News Channel 5's Chris Cannon has more on how an out-of-town jury will most likely hear this case.
It's a walk Corey Beatty has made many times before, down the 5th floor hallway into Judge Monty Watkins' courtroom.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Beatty's here. Mark that ready.
Beatty was in the courtroom. His co-defendant Brandon Vanderburg did not attend the hearing,
All rise.
which took place in the judge's chambers.
He wants to get a general idea of what everybody's thinking.
They're working towards a retrial after Judge Watkins declared a mistrial earlier this year because a juror didn't disclose he was a sexual assault victim. There are a lot of logistics that come with a new trial.
What today was about is discussing what's going to be filed or potentially filed, and trying to get a hearing date on some of these motions.
The judge will most likely receive a motion for a change of venire, which means bringing in an out-of-town jury to hear the case.
If the judge decides to grant that, then we would go to another city, whatever he selected. We'd pick jurors there and then bring them back here for the trial, so the trial would still be here in Nashville.
After today's hearing, Beatty was the center of a prayer circle in the court's entrance. In that circle, 8 Nashville clergy members who started pastoring to the 21-year-old after his release from jail.
I think the Christian look on that is that, you know, he's still one of God's children, and he still deserves love.
It's support Beatty will need when he goes on trial again in November.
We also learned from the general today that there was a motion to have 2 separate trials for Beatty and Vanderburg, but that Judge Watkins had denied that trial. As of right now, the next status hearing is set for September 25th, and the schedule for this hearing and the trial altogether should be on November 30th. In the newsroom, Chris Cannon, News Channel 5 HD.